Get to work. Hi guys, it's Chris. Today we'll be talking about Unior's chin whip. We all know by now what a chin whip is, but here there's a bit more than what the eye can see. Let's dig into it. For cassette lockring removal, a chin whip can be used to prevent the cassette from turning counterclockwise when the lockring is removed. Unior's chin whip is made from hardened and tempered special tool steel and is chrome plated to comply with EN 12540. It is compatible with all modern multi-speed cassettes. The tool's shaft is 350 mm long, offering efficient leverage power. The chain is equipped with a spring linking it to the shaft. This maintains the chain on the cassette teeth and prevents rippage, which could cause damage and even injuries. Finally, the chin whip is equipped with a hook to tighten or unlock fixed gear sprocket lock rings. See, told you, it was not just a plain chin whip, and that there's a bit more than what the eye can see. If you want to share your opinion on that chin whip, or if you want to just say you like it, just leave a comment below. Until then, I'll see you next time.